Welcome back, guys. This week's video is all about a couple of legends. First of all, we've got legend number one up here. This is Phil from the Gradually Wizardly channel. Awesome woodworker, makes great content, just got to 5 years on YouTube, and he's set a challenge. Make something that you couldn't make 5 years ago and give it away to someone who matters. Now, I couldn't make anything 5 years ago, so anything's a winner. But that's where we come into this guy, legend number two. This is my brother-in-law, Chris. Chris loves his wrestling, has gone all around the world, and this year he went on the trip of a lifetime over to LA to watch his favourite Mexican wrestler. Who's this guy?
Mexico, weighing 193 pounds,
Not somebody I know, but this guy's so big that when he found Chris in the crowd, he's brought him straight up on the stage. Now that is legend material. Whilst Chris was away, I got him to collect a few little bits and bobs from his travels. He didn't know it at the time, but I was going to make him something epic. Let's see how I've got on with this.
And for this project, I've chosen two contrasting pieces of wood. I've got a piece of beech, which is quite light when it's all stained up. And then secondly, I've got some walnut, which should be nice and dark by the time we get some oil on that. Then I've got my notes on what I want to do, how I want it to be. I've alternated the pieces, so dark and light. I've also got this other piece of beech here that it's stood proud now, but I'll chop the bits out shortly, and then that should be where the stars go. Right, you can see now it's coming together quite nicely. I've just got this final glue up of the two halves, or thirds if you like. I'm going to bead of glue on it. I've got it slightly raised off the bench, so once I've got my pressure coming this way, I can get some clamps pinched on the ends here and try to stop it coming out of line. Moving on quickly now is this build. I'm on to writing in some signage. Where there should be stars in this corner, I'm going to route in USA. I know this is upside down, but I needed it near the edge so I could clamp it all into place so this doesn't move. Solid. Absolute disaster. My board's moved whilst I've been routing it in, and it's now crooked. To the disappointment the last time I'm getting that lettering wrong. I'm back with the router. I'm going to route a channel to insert some stuff in now, so let's hope this goes better. Everything seems solid this time. Let's pray for the best. Sanding's well underway. It's looking good. We're up to 120 grit. Just not quite clear. So I'll keep going through the grits and see how clear we can get that before putting on some polishing compound. And there we are at the end of another project. I'm really chuffed with how this one's come out. I won't lie, there's a couple of mistakes. I'm gutted the board slipped and the bottom writing is a little bit wonky. But as for the colours, I think it looks great. The light and dark will contrast each other well. And then the blue's nice and bright and vibrant, really stands out. Right, all that's left to do now is to deliver it and see what he thinks. A little bit nervous.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Is it mine?
Oh, that's so cool. I forgot about them as well.
Is it mine?
No, it's not
Oh,
yours.
wow.
This is